What's the best way to buy a mattress? Well, if you've done any research online lately, you're going to get inundated with ads from big mattress companies, online box bed companies. Your social media is going to be flooded with advertisements. Now, are these beds the best thing for you? Is it the smart way to buy a mattress? Let's talk about it. So a lot of people are interested in box beds or buying a mattress online because it's, let's face it, it's easy. You got a 4.5-inch screen, boop, 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 you're done. You don't have to go talk to a mattress salesman who wants to do that. And then within a week or two, you get one of these babies, show up at your door inside of a box, and then you open it up and poof, the genie comes out of the bottle. But what are you actually buying? Well, these companies really won't tell you. But the reality is you're buying a bed that's loaded with PU foam, which stands for polyurethane. Polyurethane foam is what causes soft spots. Soft spots in a mattress are when you have lots of support. And the mattress weakest link is polyurethane foam. That's why at Comfort King, when you come in here, we can explain what's inside the mattress, which is the most important thing. Like any mattress can be comfortable in the first year or two, and that's when you see these reviews from people who've bought a bed online. They're usually within the honeymoon period of the first few years where the foam hasn't really started to lose support yet. But at Comfort King, we learned that polyurethane foam is engineered by design to lose support 10 times faster than it loses height. Well, height is where you get sagging. Sagging is the only thing that's covered on the typical mattress warranty. And since the foams today don't break down that way, they'll lose support way faster than they lose height. What you end up is you're laying in a hole that's not supporting you well in where you need it the most, which is your hips and your lower back. And there's nothing you can do about it because you bought that bed online from a company you'll never meet, from a salesperson you'll never meet, you'll never talk to the manufacturer. It's not the smart way to do it. The smart way to buy a mattress, which is really the most important thing inside your home. A mattress is literally the most important thing you're going to buy inside your home.
A mattress is literally the most important thing you're going to buy inside your home.
And the reason for that is because sleep is the most important thing you do every day. Sleep is the most important thing for our health. Not only what we eat and what toxins go into our body and what we do for exercise and everything, it's 8 hours of sleep every night helps build your immune system, helps your brain function better. It helps fight off cancer. There's a lot of benefits to sleep. So buying a mattress should be important enough for you to actually physically go to a store that has a bunch of them. Like here at Comfort King, we have 18 of them on the floor. And yes, it's a wide price range. It's not just high end, although we do make the world's best mattress. We also make the world's best mattresses at the lower end of the price scale for those who are more budget conscious. But most importantly, you'll be buying from a company that builds them right here, and you'll talk to a builder who knows what's inside, and we can tell you what's inside. And we can tell you what, how we stand behind our product. We invented the lifetime comfort guarantee, and we're the only company with a soft spot warranty. So before you buy that bed online and take a huge risk with your health, come check out Comfort King. Or if you're not in one of our markets, find a local factory direct and go find out actually what's inside. Don't just take their word for it, because I hate to say this, but big mattress corporations today are all in on planned obsolescence. They really don't care if you're sleeping well in years 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to deal with a company that actually cares about that and will help you along the way and stand behind their product. Thanks for watching.